Okay, so today we're going deep on Apple AirTags. These tiny little things you can attach to like your keys or your bags.
Right.
So you don't lose them.
Yeah.
Which is already pretty cool. But
Yeah.
what's really amazing is they can actually track stuff anywhere in the world.
Pretty much.
And that's what's kind of blowing my mind because AirTags use Bluetooth to track things.
Right.
Which, as we all know, doesn't really go that far.
No, it's more of a close range thing.
So how do these tiny little AirTags manage to track stuff globally?
Well, it's kind of a genius move by Apple, really.
Okay. I'm intrigued. Lay it on me.
So they basically realized they don't have to build a whole new network for this.
What do you mean?
They just piggyback on something that already exists and is already massive.
Okay. You're going to have to be a little more specific.
Think about how many iPhones are out there in the world.
A lot.
A lot is an understatement.
Okay.
There are literally over 1 billion iPhones out there.
Wow.
All constantly sending and receiving signals.
So you're saying they're using iPhones to track AirTags?
In a way, yes. How does that even work?
So imagine you've got an AirTag on your keys.
Okay.
And you've left them somewhere.
Happens to the best of us.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So your keys are out there on their own. And your iPhone is somewhere else.
Right.
The AirTag realizes it's separated from your phone. And it starts sending out these little Bluetooth signals like, hey, I'm here.
Okay.
And because there are so many iPhones around, chances are at least one of them will be close enough to pick up that signal.
So my lost keys are basically sending an SOS to any iPhone within range.
Basically.
And then what?
That iPhone that picks up the signal, it basically relays the AirTag's location back to you.
Through the internet, I'm guessing.
Exactly.
But isn't that a little creepy?
Like someone else's phone knowing where my keys are?
That's a fair point, but Apple's thought of that.
Okay, good.
Because the whole process is designed to be completely anonymous and encrypted. So the helping iPhone, its owner, and even Apple itself, they don't actually know what's being tracked. They just know that an AirTag needs to report its location.
So it's like this secret network of iPhones helping each other find lost stuff.
Precisely. It's like this invisible web that spans the globe.
That's actually kind of cool when you think about it.
It is. It's pretty remarkable.
But it also sounds like it could be easily misused, right?
Well, any technology can be misused, right?
True.
And there have been some cases of AirTags being used for things like stalking.
Oof. That's awful.
Yeah, it's a serious concern.
So is there anything being done about that?
Apple's aware of the issue, and they've been working on ways to prevent it.
Like what?
They've released updates that make it harder to use AirTags for unwanted tracking.
Right.
For example, if an AirTag has been separated from its owner for a certain amount of time, and it's moving around with someone who doesn't own it, it'll start making a sound so the person knows they're being tracked.
So it's like a built-in alarm system. That's good, at least.
And they've also made it easier for people to detect unknown AirTags that might be near them.
How so?
If you have an iPhone,
you
can use the Find My app to scan for nearby AirTags.
Never knew that.
And if it finds one that doesn't belong to you, it'll alert you.
So they're constantly trying to stay ahead of the bad guys?
Pretty much it's an ongoing process.
That makes sense.
It's a classic case of technology evolving and the safeguards having to evolve along with it.
It's like a never-ending game of cat and mouse.
Yeah, in a way it is.
It's just wild to think that right now, my phone could be helping someone find their lost dog.
Or their wallet or their luggage.
And I would have absolutely no idea.
Yep, it's all happening behind the scenes.
It makes you wonder what else we could use this kind of network for.
Absolutely.
Like, could we track the migration of endangered species or something?
That's a really interesting thought.
Or monitor environmental changes in real time?
It's definitely possible.
The potential is huge.
It really is.
I mean, think about it. We've got this massive network of devices already out there.
Yeah.
Just waiting to be tapped into.
It's a powerful resource.
So to wrap things up.
Sure.
AirTags are pretty incredible when you think about it.
Yeah, they are.
They've basically created a global Find My Stuff network.
Pretty much.
By cleverly using something that already exists.
The vast network of iPhones.
Exactly. And it's all done anonymously.
And using very little energy.
It makes you think what other problems we could solve using this kind of crowdsourced approach.
It's definitely a model for future innovation.
Food for thought for sure.
Absolutely.
Well, that's our deep dive on Apple AirTags, folks.
Thanks for having me.
Until next time.
See ya.
Keep on exploring the fascinating world of tech.
And remember, stay
curious.
Always.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more detail, you can visit our blog website www.evergreentechtips.com.